Hello and welcome back at Susanne Kurz Coaching and Media. Today I want to tell you about something I've tested recently, just last week. And the thing is that I have been struggling with getting around cleaning up the apartment for several years now. It's a big apartment with a lot of rooms, so it's quite a bit of work to do, and I'm not exactly the person who enjoys cleaning. I actually hate it, and it's usually that I have to squeeze it in somehow because it's necessary while I should be doing other things, or there are a lot of other things that I would rather like to do. So a couple of days ago, or let's say a bit over a week ago, there was a funny short that was came up in my timeline, in my YouTube feed, and that was by a woman who said, it's easy to keep your apartment clean. And what she actually said in the short was, you just have to clean 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and not do anything else, and then your apartment will be clean. And now in the comments, I like that because that expressed pretty much my sentiment. But in the comments, I found a tip by someone who said, well, if everyone in the apartment just cleans 10 minutes a day at the end of the day and really puts in a little bit of effort to clean as much as possible during this 10 minutes, then at least the big stuff will be done during that time. And for things that need a little bit more thorough work, you can schedule in time once a week or once a month, as much as possible or as necessary. So I thought I just test that because I can persuade myself to do 10 minutes per day because that's not that long. So I did that for a full week, last week, 5 days, not at the weekend, 5 days during the week, 10 minutes after dinner, and just cleaned up as much as possible. And with vacuum cleaning and dusting, I pretty much got around almost the whole apartment. I even was able to actually deeper clean the floor of the kitchen and the bathroom. So there were a couple of things that were missing that remained to be done this week, but I think with 7 to 8 days I really can get around the apartment with 10 minutes per day. So I found it pretty amazing because it's really easy to do, and I think I will continue that now and see if I can keep that up long term. And I also decided to do that with other things that always get put off because I think I need at least half an hour to an hour to stick to that, and then I don't have that time and I don't even start. And now I think I will try to see what happens if I just do 10 minutes per day work on it and how far I can get. Well, I hope this helps you. This is a tip that's useful to you. I will let you know and report what's going on here and how I'm doing with that. And if you test it, let me know how you are faring with it in the comments. And if you like the video or found this tip helpful, then please give it a thumbs up so more people can see it. Okay, that's it for today. Have a good time and hope to see you soon back here next time. Bye for now.